learners, welcome back to Shubhkaamna Academy, where learning is smart, simple, and super fun. Now, let me ask you something. If you're holding a heavy bag for 5 minutes, are you doing a work? If you push a wall with all your strength but it doesn't move, is that work? Sounds tricky, right? Well, in everyday life, we think we are doing work when we are tired or sweating, but in physics, it's a whole different story. So, today we are going to uncover the real meaning of work in physics, and I promise you it's not as boring as it sounds. So, let's get into it. Chapters review: what is work, formula for work, types of work, and the examples. Now, in physics, work has a special definition. Work is done when a force is applied on an object and the object moves in the different direction of that force. So remember, two things must happen. A force must be applied, the object must move in the direction of the force. If both these conditions are met, congratulations, you have done the work. But if either one is missing, sorry, no work is done. At least not in physics. Formula: the most common formula for work is maximum work, angle, and displacement, where theta is the angle between the force and the displacement factor, but maximum work happens when they are parallel. There's no work when the force and displacement are perpendicular. Types of work: positive, negative. Forces add displacement, while negative force opposes possesses displacement. Now, let's take in real life examples. You push a toy car and it rolls across the floor. Force applied, object moved, so work done. You carry your school bag and walk in a straight line. No work done in the direction of force. Yep, even if your shoulders hurt. You push a wall really hard but it doesn't move. Force is there but no movement, so no work done. So, the scientific formula of work. Alright, time to sound a little more sciencey. Here's the formula. Work is equals to force into displacement into cos theta. Work represents work done. F, force applied. D, displacement of the object. And theta, angle between the direction of force and displacement. The SI unit of work, joule. That is represented by J, named after scientist James Prescott Joule. 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton into 1 meter. Fun fact, did you know if you lift a book 1 meter up using a force of 1 Newton, you have done exactly 1 joule of work. Now that's science in everyday life. When is no work done? Let's quickly list when physics says no work. No force is equals to no work. No movement is equals to no work. Movement is not the direction of force. No work physics is very picky, isn't it? So, talking about the variable force, when there is a variable force, integrate force over displacement is calculated as force integrate and displacement. It has been showed graphically in the presentation, you can see. Now talking about the examples, a 100 Newton force pushes a 20 kg box 5 meters across the horizontal floor. The force is applied at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. How much work is done? So, work is equals to F into D into cos theta. That is 100 Newton into 5 meter into cos 30. So, that is equals to 433 joules. So here we come to the end of the presentation. Work is a fundamental concept in physics. Work is essential for analyzing energy, transfer, and motion. Mastery of work paves the way for more advanced topics in mechanics. So next time you say, I did a lot of work today, think again. Was force applied? Did something move in the direction of the force? If yes, boom, that's the work in physics. If not, well, your body might be tired, but physics says try again. So remember, Work is equals to force into displacement into theta. Unit of work is equals to joule. No movement is equals to no work. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Shubhkaamna Academy for more learning every week. Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the magic of physics. Bye bye, happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video with more exciting fun videos.